In this video, we're going to show you how to take the licenses from your enterprise agreement and transfer them into your Smart account and virtual account so you can start using them. You're going to start at Cisco Software Central, that's software.cisco.com, and you'll scroll down to the EA Workspace. Click on Access EA Workspace. When we get here, it's going to list all of our enterprise agreements. For this example, we're going to take a look at the Cisco DNA EA that we have here. You could take a look at the subscription ID that would be showing here. You can take a look at when your next true forward date is. You will see here. And you can even see the buying program. In this case, it's an EA 2.0. So to get into it, first we're going to take a look at the catalog. So to generate licenses, we're going to take a look at first what licenses we want to generate. I want to generate some switching licenses. So I'm going to click the plus sign next to switching. And then I'm going to say generate some Advantage licenses. So I'll click Generate License right here. Next, you're going to go ahead and you're going to select the switch that you have here. There's a big list. In this case, I'll be selecting Catalyst 9300s. Then we need to figure out which virtual account we want to put this license into. For this example, we're going to be using the Cisco DNA virtual account right here. And then you will click on Select Features. So then you're going to go ahead and pick the feature licenses you're looking for. If you're looking for DNA Advantage licenses, that's at the top here. If you're looking at Network Advantage licenses, those are more toward the bottom. For our purposes here, we're going to throw in a 48-port DNA Advantage license, and we'll also scroll down and click the corresponding Network Advantage license. There. Then we're going to click on Verify License. All right, now it's going to go ahead and it's going to show you that you actually have those licenses in your enterprise agreement to use. In our case, you'll see we do not, both show entitled at 0. This can be okay. It's built into your enterprise agreement. There is growth, so you can use those licenses for no charge until your next true forward date. If you're over that growth amount, it could trigger an immediate true forward. So you just have to check this box here, right there. And your sales team will contact you if it does a automatic true forward. Most of the time that is not the case as long as you're in your growth allowance. You should be able to wait till the true forward date. So we're going to go ahead and click review right here. This again shows us what we've selected. And then if I was going to actually generate these licenses, I would click on Generate License. Now, if you want to check your inventory, we're going to go back to Cisco Software Central. Under Smart Software Manager, click on Manage Licenses. Then go over to Inventory. Let's take a look at that same virtual account, Cisco EA-Cisco DNA. Once you're in here, you can take a look at your licenses. We'll take a look at this DNA Advantage license. So go ahead and click that. If you go over to transaction history right here, that'll show you the transaction dates. And this will show you any of the licenses that have been generated. If you want some more information, you would go ahead and click on it. This will show you the source as well as the EA that it is tied to. This is also the place to come if you need to know who generated what, when it was generated. You'll come into this part. One other thing to show you back at Cisco Software Central is down under the EA Workspace. Click back into that again. You're going to notice that it says consumption here on each of the enterprise agreements. So if we ever want to see what has been generated, what we're using, we'll just click consumption right there. If I click into it, this will show me for different types of licenses. For example, for our wireless licenses, this shows me I'm fully consumed. I've purchased 671, generated 671. If I go back and take a look at these switching licenses, this is now going to show me again where I'm consumed and if I'm overconsumed. So again, this is the benefit of the true forward we talked about. It's fine to overuse what you have purchased as you need more. You won't pay for those until your true forward date. That's right up here at the top. But just know at that time of true forward, that's when they'll be truing up what you have used at that time. And back from this front page, you can switch between your enterprise agreements if you would like to see the consumption for different subscriptions. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your ANM account team and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.